Okay, today we're going to see how much trouble we can get into trying to install a backup camera on a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. I guess the first thing is to remove the trim from the inside back cover. It seems to just be held in by four little screws. Come on. Bigger screwdriver. Come on. Oh, one doesn't fit at all. This is most annoying. There we go. You should always have a nice set of trim tool removals if you're going to do this, or use a really flat blade or a screwdriver. Yuck. I'm going to shut the video off because my battery's going to die. Well, once the four screws came out, the trim just pulled off. It's only held on by little clips all around the edges. The top trim here was held on by two more screws and little caps. They just popped off and the whole thing pulled down. So now I just got to figure out where to put the camera and start running the wires. And then I'll have to remove the side posts. Well, the car didn't have enough holes. Actually, it had no extra holes like most people have used. So I had to drill a 5/8" hole just above the license plate to run a wire through. I popped it through right beside the latch, and I'm going to have to do something to stop rust from there. I ran the wire through the existing boot, so it's not going to get caught in anything, and it should just go up the side of the window. I went down the side post. I don't know if you can see it, there's just these two little plastic button fasteners in the corner. Once you pop them out with the appropriate tool, the whole panel just pulls forward, and I was able to run the wire down. And it's popping out here by the spare tire crap. And it should just be a fairly simple matter to get it out into the rear backup light now. Okay, the rear, if I can, holy crap, that's bright. The rear taillight's held on by just two bolts, one here and one here. You pop them out and the whole thing just snaps off. Well, hopefully it doesn't snap off, just pops out. Okay, I followed the regular car wiring down, pulled away all the trim, and managed to come out from the same hole that all the other rear wiring comes through. The plug just pops out like all the other ones. So far, easy peasy. Okay, I use the quick link connectors to connect the wires there to the backup light. And the green wire going to the backup light is the positive and the black was negative. And as you can see from the Garmin, it paired up nicely and I can now see out the back of the car. I guess I can drive backwards now. Woohoo! Okay, that's where the camera's been mounted. It sort of disappears in, you can't see any of the wiring at all. Where'd you go? There you are. Okay, I applied a bit of Storm King silicone sealer around the hole. That should keep the water out. And I just got to put the back panel back up, which just snaps back in place. Okay, the camera's working pretty good. You could just see the trailer hitch right here at the bottom, so I should be able to use that to line up on trailers. And I've got the orange line set, so when something touches it, we're about 2 feet away. Actually, it's not working out as bad as I thought it would for a self-installed camera. And now I just got to put the final back piece up, and then it's done. Oh. Yeah, it's back up, and the last bit is to put the light back in. Tricky. Okay, which way did you come out? There's the depression tongue. Nip the lock, and up it goes. Check to make sure it works. have power. And the last little bit. Oh yeah. And that'd be that. The car's back together. Thanks for watching. So long, and see you around on the tube thing.